Assalamualikum. Welcome everyone from our channel. Today we will try to tell about food nutrition of human body. Food provides essential nutrients that our body needs for growth, repair, and maintenance of its various functions. Proper nutrition is essential for overall health and well-being. Here is a brief overview of the basic food nutrients that our body needs. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for the body. They are found in foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Complex carbohydrates, found in whole grains, provide sustained energy and are high in fiber, while simple carbohydrates, such as those found in candy and soft drinks, provide quick bursts of energy but lack fiber and nutrients. Proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of the body and are needed for growth and repair of tissues. They are found in foods such as meat, fish, eggs, and beans. Animal proteins are considered complete because they contain all essential amino acids, while plant proteins may need to be combined to provide all essential amino acids. Fats. Fats provide energy, insulation, and protection for organs. Healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, are important for brain function, hormone production, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Trans fats and saturated fats, found in processed and fried foods, should be avoided. Vitamins. Vitamins are essential for many functions in the body, including the immune system, bone health, and vision. They are found in a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and dairy products. It is important to eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to ensure a good balance of vitamins. Minerals. Minerals are important for many bodily functions, including bone health, nerve function, and fluid balance. They are found in a variety of foods, including dairy products, meat, and vegetables. Calcium, iron, and zinc are some important minerals to include in the diet. In summary, a healthy diet should include a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Eating a variety of whole, minimally processed foods is the best way to ensure that you are getting all the nutrients your body needs. Drinking plenty of water and avoiding processed and sugary foods will also help maintain good health. Thank you very much for being with us. Assalamualaikum.